Well, hello everybody. This will be the quick video on how to use the Fibonacci retracement and expansion properly. And it will be applied to Elliot wave principle, to Elliot wave theory. We will use the example of the impulsive wave. So let's draw the impulsive wave of this 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop it. Okay, so the first leg, wave 1, is measured this way. We start from 0 and at 1, yes, and the 618 is wave 2. You see my eye is perfect. Okay, the third wave, once we have potential wave 1, we can predict where the third wave will go. The most common wave 3 is 1618 of wave 1 started from wave 2. We can do it two ways. First of all, we can enable this wave 1, we measure this, yes. Then we can calculate the extension of that, of wave 3, yes. And then we take this thing and start from wave 2. This is the level of wave 2, the beginning of that wave, like this. So wave 3 terminates exactly where I placed it. My eye is perfect, you see. This is called that wave 3 is 1618 times larger than wave 2. If you draw it this way, yes, you calculated the extension of this and you draw it 1618, this won't mean that you started from wave 2. As you see, the 1618 is started here from 0, from the beginning of wave 1. No, this 1618 measurement is not the true measurement. It is the measurement that is called extension, but we want the measurement that is called trend-based extension. So trend-based extension is a bit different. So to measure that trend-based extension, I would use another tool, and it is called trend-based Fib extension. So we start from this to this. We first measure our first leg. Then the calculation is done and 1618 is calculated. And the third point will show from what point I should start that trend-based extension. So I want it started from wave 2. And you see 1618 coincides. I don't want it to be started from this point, because in this way I will have it this way. So this is the confusion that was caused by Trading Power team. They all measure it this way. They use the trend-based Fib extension and they measure it as simple Fib extension enabled on Fib retracement tool. It's not the trend-based extension, it is a simple extension. What this means? It means that you have a whole movement of this, and then you add to this one fraction of 0.618, yes? So this is 1, this is 0.618, 1 plus 0.618, total you have 1618, yes? But you should have 1, you should have 1618, and this 1618 should start from, sorry, wrong point, should start from point 2. Okay, hope you understood the trend-based expansion and simple Fibonacci expansion. Okay, let's measure Fib retracement once again. If we start from this, let me do it this way. I will draw it this way from 1 towards 2, and then I will do it this way. I will draw a reciprocal, the so-called reciprocal . Okay, start from here maybe. Okay, reciprocal ABCD pattern. What is a reciprocal ABCD pattern? It is the pattern when corrections are equal. So I just drew a reciprocal ABCD pattern. We know that the wave 2 is the most common 1618 retracement. Was it 1618? Sorry, 0.618. Yes, the most common is 618 retracement of wave 1. Let me type it. 2, here we have it in brackets, 2 equals 0.61a multiplied 1. Agree? Yes, I would also agree. Okay. Then we have it this way. 3 equals 161a multiplied 1. We only measure the distance. And here we should also add the description. This is only the distance of wave 3. This is the distance from 2 to 3. It's not the 161a extension, it is the distance of that. Okay. Wave. Let's do it this way. 3 starts from 2. Agree? Agree. 3 starts from 2. So if you want 161a of wave 1, you should start from 2. You should not start from 0 again. 3 starts from 2. This is another thing. The most common mistake is this, that you start from 0 and you have 161a here. It should start from 2. Fib expansion. Okay, the next thing is that for wave 4, calculations. 4 equals what? 4 equals 0.382 multiplied 3. It equals that retracement. Okay, perfect. 4 equals 0.32 multiplied 3. And as I just told you, 4 equals 2 as well. 2 as well. One of the most common things that this retracement equals to that retracement, reciprocal ABCD. So if you want to predict where to buy, you should most likely measure this second wave and project it to this wave number 4. If this wave is a bit deeper, this wave should be deeper as well. This is called the reciprocal ABCD, one of the most common ratios. Okay, now let's measure the third leg, and you will be amazed to know that wave 4 is exactly 32 of wave 3. Okay, why is this so? Because the 61a of this shorter leg equals to 32 of this larger leg. This larger leg is 1.61a times larger than the first leg, if you calculate it correct. If you don't calculate it correct, it won't be equal to that. Okay, so now is the last measurement of wave 5. The wave 5 is calculated as the 0.61a of the course from 0 to 3. Let's do it. I will show you the initial measurements. Okay, this is the distance from 0 to 3. Then we should take 0.61a. It is this 0.61a, yes. And we should start it from wave 4, because wave 5 starts from wave 4. So my eye is ideal as well. So I just shown you this thing. Again, guys, if you measure it this way, let's take the expansion, the wrong way of measurement, and enable this from here to here and back again, and you enable 161a, this is wrong. You see, it doesn't coincide with that. Okay, hey, come on, where is my drawing? If you measure it this way, you take the simple Fibonacci retracement, you measure it from 3 to 0, and you enable 161A, this is wrong as well. It doesn't coincide. So what you are to do, if you start the 61A from this point, yes, this will coincide, but you should start your wave 5 from wave 4. Yes? So what you should do, you should take your fib extension tool, trend-based fib extension. You should click on this, click on that, and click on 4. And you should enable 61A retracement. Let me make it, let's say, yellow, green, blue. Blue is okay. So now we have it blue. This is the 61A. Okay, now wave 5 is terminated. Now we have it, wave 5. And let me type it here. 5 equals 0.618 multiplied, and let's calculate it this way. It multiplies 1, we should start in bracket, wave 1 minus wave 2 plus wave 3. Agree? Agree. So the total of this calculation multiplied 0.618. So wave 1 minus wave 2 plus wave 3. Yes, we measured this movement, the whole movement from 0 to 3. And we need 161A of that movement, and we should start that movement from wave 4. Wave 5 starts from wave 4. It doesn't start from the peak of wave 3. Don't do this mistake. Do not start it from here. Start from there. Okay. I hope you understood this. This is the retracement of wave 5. Okay, and now here is the secret I want to reveal. If you take the simple measurements, and these calculations are ideal, I mean that wave 4 is the 382 of wave 3 and wave 2 is the 618 of wave 1. If you have an ideal situation, the wave 5 will terminate at 127 extension, simple extension of that leg. If we measure the 382 this way, from 0, from 3 to 0, you have it almost coincides with 127 extension. Just take it this way, from here to here, 127 extension almost coincides. So we can also type this, the wave 5 wave 5 equals wave 3 plus 0. Yes, we can calculate this. Okay, let me clone it this way. Okay, we should calculate this. Copy. C. We first calculate this from 0 to wave 3. Yes, this is the distance. And then we add 0.272 of the same distance to enlarge that. Yes. Okay. So now it looks perfect. So this is the calculation. This is the measurement of 100% of this. Then we calculate the 127 of that portion 127 portion of the same distance, and we add it to continue this movement. So this is the 127. This is the calculation of that. Well, hope it helps for you on how to use the Fibonacci retracement and Fibonacci extensions, how to use them properly, and thus you will have the most ideal situation. You will find them more and more occurring in the market than you previously had. That's it about Elliot waves. Hope you like this. If so, give me your thumbs up. Share this video on social media. Until then, good luck, good trading. Hope to see you soon.